Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can easily increase your credit limit with Navy Federal Credit Union. So, step number one is timing matters. So, you can follow the 91 and 3 and also the 180-day rules. So, you can wait at least 91 days, 3 billing cycles after opening or last increase before requesting a CLI. So after that, you can wait at least 180 days before seeking another increase. So next is you can request via application or website for a soft pull. So using the NFCU application or website typically triggers a soft credit inquiry, which doesn't hurt your score. So you may avoid phone calls because they often trigger the hard pulls. So next is you have to build your case first. So these are the favorable factors NFCU considers. So first is the on-time payment history. So no late or missed payments. That is a must. And then low credit utilization, aim for under 30% across all cards. And you must have stable income and financials update income details in the request. And also the active relationship with the NFCU, like for example, the checking, savings, direct deposits, and loans. So also you have to ask for the right amount to be able to get an increase because you have to request your total desired limit, not just the increase. So NFCU often counter offers if needed. And for example, if current limit is $2,000, you may ask for 10,000 instead of 8K credit limit. So the Reddit says that max standard increase is around $8,000 per request. So those are just my tip that I can give you guys, and I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!